Welcome to the online course on power electronics. So today we are going to see what we will cover in this course of power electronics. Basically, what will be the syllabus of the course. So let's start. First, we'll see introduction to power electronics. Basically, in this we will cover what is power electronics. Next, we'll see what are the different applications of power electronics. Next, we'll see what are the different power electronic devices. In power electronic devices, mainly we will cover diode, BJT, MOSFET, IGBT, thyristor, triac, and GTO. After that, we'll see what are the different applications of these power electronic devices. At first, we'll see diode circuit and rectifiers. In diode circuit and rectifiers, mainly we will have AC to DC converters using diodes. So of course, the output will be unregulated DC from a unregulated AC. So next we will see phase controlled rectifiers. In phase controlled rectifiers, the unregulated AC is converted into regulated DC. What is the meaning of unregulation, unregulated and regulated? Unregulated, that means the magnitude of the voltage and frequency will be fixed. But in a regulated DC, you can change the voltage level by varying the firing angle. In the lectures to come, we will see what is firing angle and how this conversion is possible. Next, DC to DC converters, right? In DC to DC converter, we'll see an unregulated DC like a battery, because the voltage of the battery is fixed 12 volt, let's say. It can be converted into a regulated DC, means you can change the voltage level in DC to DC converters. Like we have transformers in case of a AC to change the voltage levels. Over here we will have DC to DC converter to change the voltage level of a DC source. Next we will see AC to AC converters. Conversion here also will be same, that unregulated AC is converted into regulated AC. The best example of this AC to AC converter is the fan controller that you see in your home, where you have a knob and by which you can change the voltage appearing at the fan, by which the speed of the fan is controlled. This particular device, the knob or the fan regulator, you could say, is nothing but a power electronic device. And at last we'll see DC to AC conversion. You can also see this particular type of converter in your home, like in the form of inverter, where you have a battery of 12 volt, you have an inverter in between, and you are getting 220 volt AC at 50 hertz. So this is the overview what we are going to learn in this course. Thank you.